I'm going to be showing you how to make these mushroom lighter holders. You should know the basics of crocheting to be able to do this video. So you'll need two different types of yarn, and then I've already started off by tying a knot on my hook, and I'm going to chain 6. Then you're going to take your hook and grab the first chain that you did, and you're going to do a single crochet. You're going to continue to do 6 single crochets, and this is going to allow you to crochet a circle. Once you've crocheted all around, then you're going to start doing 2 single crochets in the same loop. And so this is going to make your circle expand and create the dome-like feature of the mushroom top. So you'll continue doing 2 single crochets in the same loop until you get something like this. Your mushroom tops are probably going to look different from mine depending on the type of yarn that you're using and the size of your crochet hook. And so for me, I want my mushroom top to start caving in at this point, and so I am going to alternate between doing 1 single crochet in the same loop to doing 2 single crochets in the same loop. So I'm going to continue doing that alternating until I do about a full circle, and then I am just going to go back to doing 1 single crochet in the same loop, and that's where the mushroom top is really going to get its rounded shape. So you just want to continue doing that until you get the desired shape that you want. So I'm going to stop about here, and you can even take a lighter and measure it underneath your top and see if it's at least big enough to cover the lighter, and then you can make it either bigger or smaller than the one that I have shown here. Then of course the final step to finishing the mushroom top is to just tie it off. And we are going to set that aside for now and come back to it later as we are going to do the base of the mushroom. So you want to grab your other piece of yarn, and we're going to start off the same way by tying a knot on your hook and then chaining 6. You're also going to do the same thing as the top by grabbing that first loop that you chained and then doing a single crochet in each loop until you get back to the first chain. So once you've completed that, then you're going to do 2 single crochets in each loop for a full circle. Here I'm just measuring with a lighter to make sure that the base is actually wide enough that it will hold a lighter inside of it. And so once you have the desired width, you're just going to do 1 single crochet in each loop until you have the height that you want. And so I like my lighter to stick out a little bit, and so I'm going to go ahead and call that good. Then for this next part, you are just going to chain 1 until you get the desired length. I'm going to call this a lanyard. I don't really know what else to call it. I like to hang mine around my neck. If I use it at like festivals, you can also hang it like in your car rear view mirror, whatever you want to do with it. And so to finish it off, you are just going to pull one side through your mushroom top and then pull it down through the other. And then you just want to tie it off on the opposite end of where you started to chain 1. By looping it through the mushroom top, it allows the top part to slide in and out, and so the lighter is not always visible. As I demonstrate here, you can just put it right in there, and then you can just slide the mushroom top down, and so it actually looks like a mushroom, and your lighter is hidden. So there you have it. That's how you make these. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my next video.